Hi everyone, please allow us to introduce ourselves. We are De Bakehouse, which is an artisan bakery that focuses on premium pastry products such as sausage bread is pastry with savory meat filling. This pastry is one of our customers' favorites. We also have ones with added cheese called cheese sausage bread. We have picnic roll, which is savory meat filling, cheese and eggs, wrapped in crispy puff pastry. Quite a few of our customers order this item as a gift during special events, such as birthdays, as well as during holidays like Christmas, Eid, and New Year. Furthermore, we have chicken pie, which is crispy triangle-shaped pastry with savory chicken ragu filling. And for you cheese lovers, we have cheese puffs, which is crispy puff pastry filled with creamy cheese. Next, there are croissant rolls, which, as the name suggests, are rolled croissant in the shape of a burger bun filled with chicken in 3 choices of flavor: bulgogi, which is a sweet Korean sauce, teriyaki black pepper, which is a bit spicy, and gochujang, which is Korean spicy sauce. You can also enjoy croissant rolls plain, that is without any filling. We also have mini pies, which is crispy pastry stuffed with homemade pineapple filling, or you can also have it with chicken filling in choices of bulgogi, teriyaki black pepper, or gochujang. Last but not least, we would like to thank our loyal customers for all their support, and for those who has never tried our products, please place your order via our WhatsApp at +6281296822670, or you can also order via our online store at Tokopedia called De Bakehouse 1. Thank you.